more festive value, festive variety na Christmas ya ukweli ya kikwetu. Let's talk about amangana awet latest where we started Nyansiongo, Ekerenyo, and Nyamaiya.
Yes.
First and foremost, I was asking somebody was it necessary in Mwensi in Kilonava Jumbe Tochor Kurusi? You seemed in another Korana. It was just a serious thing. Was that necessary?
What was that?
The campaigns and the way you handled the whole aspect.
Number one, might MCA normally tango to be to the local candidates.
Exactly.
But again, the Kiamana Kumanyanga by elections are not exactly about the candidate. By elections, usually, even from Kormaiga, by elections, they say and then we turn the candidates. Look at all the by-elections, not only these ones. That time, there was a by-election. Yogo MCA, Kitutu Church, not Kitutu Church, Nyaribari Church also. Yeah, very heated around that time. By-elections is a way of trying to assert authority of higher forces. And into initially, originally, we were not in that campaign trail. Abantu is the UDA brigade. For the first almost 2 weeks, Toaruche team led that time by Japheth, Moscow to Church North. Jawate Japheth, Jawate Jerusha, Jawate Steve Mogaka. Igo ya renge ya nanyete ekamenya Nyansiongo na Ekerenyo. So in total, it's announced the Kwanzaa to get what was happening, to try and give a chance, to compete fairly. But once to realize that the mission was to embarrass Omorai to Fred Matiani, that is when me and Kibagendi took the initial decision, Yokagenda, Koba reminding and Tunavagusi, into Wancha to Chakura Munga. We can't allow that. So, to us all, we defend Isiko Yomusi. Montakuru Isiko, Achawato Checheri. Into Navagusi, we made a decision. We are going with Daramo. Any decision to make it. We don't care of the consequences. Matiani is on the ballot. Matiani has expressed interest. You got to know what I go and say. Tokoganda was Baringo. Was there any campaigns there? It was just left to them. The locals. Kwarabi keramba maitenga omwana obana bakura Afrika. Nerabakura boichi hanga. Into tomanya bocha busi. Ngano moto into tokurutana chintra. That is how in Chenaki again we took the initial querende at a Fabaraya Band Barabu at some point to Hachamo 120, whatever no, we speak one language. And what happened at the results, that over 80% was a clear message. If that message doesn't ring a bell in your head, then you don't know what you're doing.
They said you improved their UDA performance in Usi, 33 to 39.
Improved how? When in Nyansiongo you score 19%, how is that an improvement? Sometimes even basic mathematics is a problem. How do you improve from 33 to 19?
33 to 39 they say.
No, but they had 19. That's the fact on the ground. So how do you improve backwards?
The leadership is divided. Leadership even as you champion for a national okay.
No, leadership is very divided.
You've just listed Yavandu, but
that is not divided. You are not going to go to accuse them of saying not divided. If they are defending their jobs, that is all right. But they are defending their jobs as individuals, not as a community. We have not seen the results.